How?
New approaches to cancer immunotherapy. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of cancer immunotherapy. We'll explore how our immune system interacts with tumors, the latest treatments advancements, and why understanding these processes is crucial for fighting cancer. So, grab a snack, get comfy, and let's get started. First off, let's talk about cancer itself. At its core, cancer is a disease characterized by uncontrolled cell growth. These rogue cells can spread from their original site, a process known as metastasis. Unfortunately, metastasis is the leading cause of cancer-related deaths, making it a major hurdle in treatment. Recent studies have shown that patients who respond well to immunotherapy tend to have longer survival rates and lower chances of metastatic relapse. This suggests that harnessing our immune system could be a game-changer in combating cancer. So, how does our immune system play a role in this? Well, it's all about the immune cells in our body. These cells not only shape the tumor environment but also participate in various stages of cancer progression. Think of them as the body's first line of defense against tumors. Immunotherapy aims to boost this defense. It can include strategies like cancer vaccines, which train the immune system to recognize and attack cancer cells, or immune checkpoint inhibitors that help restore the immune system's ability to fight tumors. Speaking of immune checkpoints, let's break that down. Immune checkpoints are molecules on immune cells that need to be activated or inhibited to regulate immune responses. In cancer, tumors can exploit these checkpoints to evade detection. By using antibodies that target these checkpoints, like PD-1 and CTLA-4, we can help reactivate immune responses against cancer. This is where treatments like pembrolizumab and nivolumab come into play, showing promising results in various cancers. Another exciting area is adoptive cell transfer, or ACT. This involves taking immune cells from a patient, modifying them to better fight cancer, and then reintroducing them into the body. One of the most notable examples is CORT cell therapy. CORT cells are engineered to express receptors that specifically target cancer cells. This therapy has shown remarkable success, especially in hematological cancers like leukemia and lymphoma. However, solid tumors present a unique challenge due to their diverse surface markers. Now, let's talk about the tumor microenvironment, or TME. This is the environment surrounding a tumor, including immune cells, blood vessels, and signaling molecules. A hot tumor is one that has a lot of immune activity, while a cold tumor lacks this activity. Transforming cold tumors into hot ones is a key focus in current research. Strategies like boosting antigen-presenting cell activity or targeting TGF-beta signaling are being explored to enhance T-cell immunity in these cold tumors. Interestingly, recent studies have shown that our gut microbiome can influence how well immunotherapies work. The bacteria in our gut may help modulate immune responses, which could explain why some patients respond better to treatments than others. Next, let's specifically the different types of immunotherapy that are being developed to combat cancer. If you've ever wondered how our immune system can be harnessed to fight cancer, you're in the right place. So, let's get started. First, let's quickly recap what immunotherapy is. In simple terms, immunotherapy is a type of cancer treatment that helps your immune system fight cancer. Unlike traditional treatments like chemotherapy and radiation, which can damage healthy cells, immunotherapy aims to boost or restore the immune system's ability to recognize and attack cancer cells. Now, there are several types of immunotherapy, and each works in a unique way. Let's break them down. 1. Immune checkpoint inhibitors. These are probably the most well-known type of immunotherapy. They work by blocking proteins that prevent the immune system from attacking cancer cells. Think of it like taking off the brakes on your immune system. Two major checkpoints are CTLA-4 and PD-1. By inhibiting these checkpoints, drugs like ipilimumab and nivolumab can unleash your T cells to go after the cancer. So, in essence, immune checkpoint inhibitors are like giving your immune system a little nudge to do its job better. 2. Cytokine therapy. Next up, we have cytokine therapy. Cytokines are proteins that help cells communicate in the immune system. By administering specific cytokines, like interleukin-2, we can enhance the growth and activity of immune cells. This type of therapy has shown promise, especially in treating melanoma and kidney cancer. It's like giving your immune cells a power-up, helping them to multiply and become more effective against tumors. 3. Cancer vaccines. Now let's talk about cancer vaccines. Unlike traditional vaccines that prevent diseases, cancer vaccines are designed to treat existing cancer by stimulating the immune system to attack cancer cells. They work by introducing antigens, substances that provoke an immune response specific to the cancer. For example, the Provenge vaccine targets prostate cancer by using the patient's own immune cells. Think of cancer vaccines as a way to train your immune system to recognize and fight cancer cells, just like how vaccines train your body to fight off infections. 4. COR T-cell therapy. Next, we have COR T-cell therapy, which is a cutting-edge treatment. In this approach, T-cells, an essential part of our immune system, are taken from a patient's blood, modified in the lab to better recognize cancer cells, and then infused back into the patient. This therapy has shown remarkable success in treating certain types of blood cancers, like leukemia and lymphoma. It's like customizing your immune cells to be super soldiers against cancer. 5. Oncolytic virus therapy. This type of therapy uses genetically modified viruses that selectively infect and kill cancer cells. As the virus replicates inside the cancer cell, it causes the cell to burst, releasing new viral particles and cancer antigens that can further stimulate an immune response. It's a unique way of turning the cancer cells against themselves. Pretty wild, right? Using viruses to fight cancer sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie. 6. Combination therapies. Finally, we have combination therapies, which involve using 2 or more types of treatments together. For example, combining immune checkpoint inhibitors with cytokine therapy or chemotherapy can enhance treatment effectiveness and overcome resistance that some tumors develop against single therapies. This approach aims to tackle cancer from multiple angles, making it harder for the cancer to evade treatment. As research continues, we're likely to see even more innovative therapies and combinations that could change the landscape of cancer treatment. The future of immunotherapy is bright, and it offers hope for many patients. So, there you have it. A breakdown of the different types of immunotherapy and how they work. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content on health and science. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
PharmaPal.